Essential workers in Alberta who worked tirelessly during the COVID-19 pandemic will receive a one-time lump sum payment of $1,200. The funds are from both the federal and the provincial government as a sign of appreciation during this tough time.
You know, that's really nice to hear.
Alex Athron is a clerk at this local grocery store. It's been a hard year for him and his colleagues.
Some people get to the point where they yell insults at us as they're walking out the door, or they refuse to leave the building. The type of treatment that staff have received, not once in my 12 plus years of doing service work have I ever seen anything quite like this.
Workers eligible for the $1,200, private and public employees in retail, personal care, food manufacturing, trucking, social services, and of course, health care.
They've had to be out there on the job, not only to provide for their families, but to keep Alberta's economy, our infrastructure, and essential services running.
To qualify, you have to earn $25 per hour or less and have worked at least 300 hours between the period of October 12th, 2020 to January 31st, 2021. Many of Alberta's frontline workers have been waiting months for this cash since the federal government's top-up program was announced in May of last year. Alberta's NDP opposition is critical of the month's delay.
Alberta's GDP would have been $361 million bigger if Jason Kenney had taken advantage of the federal funding when it became available 9 months ago.
Meanwhile, this union leader echoes her sentiment.
Certainly workers would have benefited right off the bat, not only financially, but also, in terms of being recognized and respected for the tremendous work they're doing to keep Albertans safe if it had been applied much earlier on in the pandemic.
380,000 workers are eligible for the benefit in both private and public sectors. The pandemic started about 11 months ago. The funds work out to about $109 per month.
It's nice to know that there is some type of benefit being shown to us and that, we're cared about in some degree.
In Edmonton, Rochelle Soufi, City News.